So welcome back again, people, to MG Sports TV. This is actually the review show of the Jamaica Women Premier League and also the Jamaica Elite U17 Cup or Cup League, should I say. But big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. It is a joy to be partaking in so much football this season in particular. Big up on yourself. As I say, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna get straight into it. Now, watching the Women Premier League weekend gone. Well, I couldn't watch the games live. I have to watch the ones them that was heard, and also the others look at social media posts and stuff. And I have to say, there's a lot of potential there. There is a lot of potential in this league. Hopefully, the quality increase, but it's a start. I'm happy that it actually start. We're gonna get into the results, and let me show you some of the results over the weekend. Let me see if I can bring that in. Yeah, so these are the results over the weekend. As you can see, most definitely it is quite interesting. As you can see, based off what's on the screen, so we have Fraziers defeating UWI 6-0. No, I think that's expected. I would believe that that's expected. UWI just build a bit about them team. I know them a work, them a do them little work and stuff, but at this present moment, the Fraziers whip team is most definitely, I would say, probably the best team in the competition. It's safe to say they are the best team in the competition. Why would I say that? Because Fraziers have mostly Excelsior players, some of the nationals them like the U17 nationals, U20 nationals. Those are the players who are playing for Fraziers. So you have a lot of international players. Nevertheless, you have other teams who have good quality players as well. Now, next up we have Cavalier versus Arnett, and this one most definitely was an exciting matchup. This game has been this I think is more the closest rivalry in the competition than others. I think this is more the closest rivalry, I should say. Yeah, rivalry in the competition. Hold on, one sec. Yeah, this is actually the closest to a rivalry. Let me change that to the Arnett clip, because certainly Cavalier and Arnett in women's football, they have this thing going and have a little long-standing thing going as it stands. And them always go at each other, especially in women's football. Always go at each other. Because last season there was a huge should I say issue. I'm not gonna say yeah, issue at the game. And certainly it didn't went down well. Little bit of something, little bit of spice showing at the game, extra additives showing at the game. But most definitely I always expect a Cavalier versus Arnett encounter to be an exciting one. Again, game ended 2-2. Real Mobe versus Mile Gully. Mile Gully now, who also have a women league in their region, and that's good because over time period, hosting a women's league, I think Mile Gully I'll get better very fast because they're probably only place where host a women league other than the normal Jamaica Premier League. And that's a good sign for Mile Gully. So you know, say the more taking a little time out, get out the gems, them out of the communities, or wherever them come from, come play. So you know, say quality wise, that I get increase. So Mile Gully and Real Mobile draw 3-3. Didn't get to see the game, but you know, as I said, in due time, we're gonna see more of the games than people. We will see more of the games than. Wi-Fi United versus Proven Girls. No, as I said, these are the same youngsters, and just by the pictures, I've getting opportunity to see the pictures. These are the same youngsters that partake in the Reynolds Cup or the Reynolds Shield, and it's a good look. I really love the fact that same coaches, same everything. Technically, everything remains the same. I am happy that to see both of them. Still, again, happy to see both of them partaking, and I do believe that these two teams will cause problems in this league. This league is going to be quite interesting, you know, because and I will most definitely try my best to see if I can at least get some coverage of a few of these games. Next up is Federal United coming back into the league. Just coming into the league versus Los Perfectos. Los Perfectos have quite a few I think they have some of the Phoenix players, Phoenix female players in the squad. So the scoreline not necessarily surprising. They have a few nationals as well in Los Perfectos. About 3 nationals in Los Perfectos. I think Andrew Smith is one of them. So the scoreline is not necessarily surprising. I would definitely say. Anyway, so that would complete the technical review of it. So let me make it. I suppose we can show you when I small click them for Los Perfectos. I'm going to show Andrew. Left-footed, really powerful left foot. This game played in Prison Oval actually. Prison Oval, a game I play. You know, as I can see, still still little bit brushing up on the technical aspect of the game. You can definitely see that. But in due time, the thing will improve. The mere fact is that it starts. The league is on its way, and that in itself shows that both competition organizers and just what's happening in Jamaica football in general, we have to get things going. Yes, the quality might not be up there, but we had to get this thing going, and we have to keep it going. For the past 2 seasons, Jamaica Women Premier League has taken place, and unfortunately, there has been quite a damning one. Very down, should I say, disheartening in regards to turnouts, quality, preparation, organization. Now, this one that we're seeing right now, it's a real good look. So I have to give credit to all the stakeholders, all the sponsors, all the persons who organize everything to put it together. It is most definitely a good look. So, want to see it keep up, want to see it continue for many years, 2, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. We don't want to see it fade away. We really don't want to see it fade away. So, and it's a good look. And again, females, support the league. Support the league. I mean, I talk about general, ordinary female, but about female players. Support the leagues. You have a lot of female players who they aren't even following the Jamaica Premier League IG page. They're not even that they're doing. That's ladies, if you want a product to be bigger, you guys have to be supportive. You guys have to be supportive. Let me show you. Let me see. May I check much followers the Women Premier League have. May I check how much followers the Women Premier League have, people. May I go show them something. Women Premier League 843 followers. The amount of schoolgirl footballers who are playing. The amount of female football teams that is in existence. The amount of colleges that play football. The amount of universities that play female football. The amount of clubs that play female football. That's really low. Females, support the thing. Support the thing. Please, maybe gonna support the thing. Match day. You know what? That is not I shouldn't be saying these things. But I don't know thing.